There's a head right in there. There's one over here. It's been put in. Hunter PGP. That's like a. I think that one is also. I'm not sure. I don't actually know. I think that's a Mr. Head. Tamping down a song. Peels up the grass. And then one's probably going to be mounted there.
Score the right side first.
Yeah, scored the outline. I got it. I didn't get it on video, but I saw it. Dig a hole and then pull the hole back. Yeah.
I think they're just skiing off.
Yeah, going everywhere they need to.
Right, that line.
Puts the puzzle back together, and it gets tamped down eventually. Saving some old parts.
Yeah, I'll dissect them another time.
Yeah. That one's really seen better days. Oh, they may have snapped the head off in that. You can remove that still.
Oh yeah, yeah.
A lot of times they'll just snap it off because it's all garbage anyway. There's a little piece of the funny pipe. That's pretty funny if you ask me. Right?
If it's a sandwich, I'm not used to eating a rolled-up sandwich, so that would make it pretty fucking silly, if you know what I mean.
So the heads along here have been put in, which I showed you. There's going to be one here. Here's a neighbor's head. Right there. And I guess, I don't know if there's one there where he's working now. And they put in one over here. Two in the flower bed. You can see them sticking up. And there's three here. The middle one's not straight. And one at the end isn't as tall as the rest. I have yet to put the caps on. But otherwise in. And good for you. Found a big chunk of shit in there. For what it's worth. I would have thought, I don't know how these are supposed to be run, but I would have put some along here and let gravity take it, but I guess not. Or maybe they haven't done this section yet. But I don't see any pipe here, so I think just the ones over where the guy is are going to sort of spray this area or something. Not really sure how it's run or what the deal is. And over here is cleaned up. These are going to get plumbed in next. Some more preparatory work. All different tools right up. So a couple here, a couple there. These are in. Looks like some wiring's been done. The box needs to go in. This is all being cleaned up. Oh, pretty good. Garbage piles. So what they use are these, they call them blazing saddles. They're saddle tees, and I don't know if I mentioned this before, but that is going to clamp onto the pipe, and they use like funny pipe to go right there to the head, and it's in. This has actually just been replaced for an 8 zone instead of a 6. I guess he thought that because there's only 6 zones he'll put that, but you always put extra, so that's been replaced, and there you go. Allegedly there's going to be a new Italian outlet. Instead of doing that, you know, put it up here, make it look pretty, all so, and now we have to go back outside. And as you can see, exactly like I said, saddle valve is going to cut that to length.
If you
heat the inside so it makes it molten and it goes on for a tight connection. And that goes in and gets buried. In here, you see two lines. The back one, which is further down, and this one. This is an old line. You can see the difference in size. They ran the thicker stuff, and the ditch bitch goes way down. This may have been actually trenched by hand in the old days. I wonder if anybody knows how they used to do this 40, 50 years ago. This may have all been done by hand. So this line just stays. It's obsolete. Saddle valve right there, funny pipe, that, and do-to-do. I think this is a little overkill with these heads like that, but whatever. So the box is in. See there. All Italian and parties, just like that. And close up. It's coming together. That's in. And then working here. Oh. Gotta make it party. Gotta make it party.